Hello friends, this is Jake from Jake Investments. It's been a while since I made a video. My last video was in February. So I saw a comment suggesting that I blew up my account. That's not the case. I stopped making videos because I was taking too much of my time making videos because I was not efficient at it. I was spending like 4 or 5 hours making videos, and that did not fit with my lifestyle then. So I'm planning to make shorter videos just to the point, so that I can still document the journey that I started. My original intent with this account or with this YouTube channel was to document my journey from a small account to a larger account. When I started this journey, my account was only like a third of its current size. Since then, I haven't added much money into this account. Everything that you see in the account and where it's now, it has all been the natural growth from the portfolio growth and the option trades that I've done. So just some quick updates. My account is doing pretty well. Especially this last year was great. This year it's doing even better. So still primarily making money from option premiums, also making money from dividends. A third of my account is dividend ETFs. So let's quickly go over the option trades that I'm in. First and foremost is Airbnb and Disney. That combined makes a large percentage of my portfolio. So these are option that I sold. And then Palantir, small amount, Schlumberger, SoFi. Did I tell you that I invested in SoFi? Yes, I did. And T-Rock. So this is the Disney call that I bought. Microsoft calls that I sold. These two. And a Palantir that I bought, against which I'm selling these calls. And if you see Disney, I have a huge position in Disney. Let's just quickly go there, and if you see, I have almost $64,000 in Disney with an average cost of $167. And then Microsoft, let's go there. I have $61,000 positions with an average cost of $224. Then the other big position is Airbnb. If you look here, I'm in a hole for Airbnb. I'm in a $6,000 loss, average cost of $179, a $65,000 position. Yeah, SoFi, average cost 16.98, $1,500 in the hole, a $13,000 position. These are the bigger positions in terms of the few stocks that I have. Rest of the money is evenly split between other ETFs. Anyway, just want to make this a small video, so I'll just quickly go over my gains, which is what I used to do. Daily gain doesn't mean much, right? So my account is at 149k, was at one point at 152k. So that's pretty good if you have seen my journey. I'll go to the monthly returns. So for the month I'm up by 7.89%. For 3 months I'm up by 12.13%. For the year, so this is not year to date, but 365 days prior. So 1 year return 78% and all-time return of 136.62%. Not bad, huh? Alright friends, I'll try to make more videos. Since I'm planning to make short videos, it should not be much of a problem making this video and editing it. So catch you in the next video. Bye. Ciao.